Today we'll see how you can create videos using 100% free stock videos and free stock images. To do this, you need to register on websites that offer trial credits and then input your API. That means you'll register on their website and then, for example, Grok. Grok actually provides trial transcription credits. There's a limit, but if you can create multiple Grok accounts with that limit, you'll be able to make a good number of videos. Why do you need Grok? You'll need Grok because and subtitles are generated from the audio and added to the video, you need to generate the transcription and then add the subtitles. So you'll definitely need Grok then. If you don't have Grok, you'll need ElevenLab. Now ElevenLab but it's also available for free. ElevenLab offers up, so you can add that here if you want. Otherwise, if you're only using Grok, you'll just add multiple Grok APIs here, separate. Then for your stock videos, you'll add multiple Pexels APIs for your stock videos. You'll add multiple Pexels APIs here. And for stock images, you'll get the API key from your Unsplash account and add it here. We already have tutorials on how to get these APIs on our channel or in our resources. You can watch those tutorials and then add the API. So you'll need an API for stock videos, an API key for stock images, and either a Grok API or an ElevenLab API for transcription. ElevenLab gives 10,000 credits, and however, ElevenLab's voice might sound much better. And if you use Grok, we'll use a free voice. Well, the free voice isn't really that great, but it's perfect for free. So these are the things you'll need to make videos for free. In this case, after adding these APIs, you'll save them. After saving, you'll restart the software. After restarting and opening it again, you'll go to a new project. After going to the new project, click on Free Stock to Video. Then click on either long video or short video, whichever you want to create. After clicking, you'll see many options here like custom script, social media URL. Then there's AI story, long story, use old audio. Meaning, if you upload an old audio, your video will be made from that audio. So I'll show you with a custom script. For a custom script, you need to provide a script here. You need to provide a script for the audio that will be in the video. So I'll quickly grab a short script here. Give me a motivational script. Short in English. So I'll take one from here. Oh, sorry, not Grok here. Here since Grok is there, I'll give it in English. Write a motivational script. So I just copied this. I'll show you with a short script. Grok is selected. Or you can use the free versions of ChatGPT or Gemini if you want it for free. So come here to free stock long video. So I put it in custom script. Here you'll see Grok. Grok will be the provider here. I chose the high quality Grok option. Then you'll see Grok here. I chose Grok's but let me tell you, with Grok, you can only create videos in English. Other languages won't work. Why? Because Grok's Whisper doesn't actually support other languages. In that case, if you select Grok, you won't be able to use other languages. I set all the output resolutions. If you want to rewrite or add outro or logo, you can do it. If you want to add background music, click here, show the background music folder and pick from there. And from here, you can add an overlay if you want to add one to your. I won't add any of these for now. And look here, there are 4 options. One is local stock video, meaning if you want to create a video using stock videos from a folder on your computer, you'll enable this. And this one is from Pexels. If you want to make a video using stock videos from Pexels, you'll use this option. And this is for stock images using Unsplash. Since we've already added an Unsplash API, so if you want to use Unsplash, you'll turn this on. And if you think, no, I want a combination of both images and video. For example, I selected this, meaning it will be, and videos will be mixed to generate. So I chose this. After that, parallel download 5 means 5 requests will go at a time to download. So I'll leave this on, no problem. It will be a bit. And if you want to manually review everything before rendering, you can keep this on. I won't keep it on, I'll keep it off for now. I click next. Let me give it a name. I named it test. And this is the voice. So your voice will definitely be, if you add the 11 Labs API, the free one, if you add that, you'll see voices like this. So I added a free voice. What we'll do with the free voice is, I'll use this free voice. After selecting the free voice, I clicked, and here I just selected English and clicked submit. After submitting, you'll see that first the script, then the voice will be generated, then the transcription will, and then the scene will be generated. Since I gave a short script, it will be done very quick. But the longer the script you provide, the more time it will take. So it's done here. You can see and understand how much is stuck where, or where the processing is happening now. So I clicked on Open Folder. Everything is here. Which one is the script? Which audio was generated, which transcription, which scene, which stock videos. So when you click this, believe in yourself. Take the leap of faith. Your strength lies within. Believe in yourself. Take the leap. Your strength lies within. Your potential. Don't let fear hold you back. Chase your dreams. Here's the image coming. You have the power to create the life you've always wanted. So go out and make it happen. See, a small video was generated. I generated this completely for free. I didn't use any paid API. So if I summarize, the thing is, you'll definitely need Grok or 11 Labs free version. Then you'll need a Pixels API key and an Ants Plus API key. With these 3 API keys, you can generate. So here you'll put Pixels, comma, then the Ants Plus API. And here you'll put Grok's keys separated by comma. If yours runs out, sometimes Grok's API key gets suspended. If it runs out, add it again. So this way you can generate a good amount of free stock videos for free. So for free, you can make motivational type videos or other types of videos that you can upload to YouTube and reach a good level. You can achieve something. So this is free, truly free. If you want more quality, you'll definitely have to go for a paid API. Thank you. Next, I'll see what other types of videos can be made 100% free.